Okay, next question. Yun bang tutol ka ba sa tinuro ni Kristo na ang ipinanganak ng laman ay laman na?
It means that yung pinanganak ni Kristo, na ipinanganak sa laman is laman. That means that
Tama.
human will give birth to human. That is true in general sense. But Jesus is the exception because he is unique.
Next question, brother.
Wala, for example, wala siyang ama.
Next question. Ano ba si Mary? Siya ba ay ano ba ang kalikasan ni Mary? Siya ba ay
Mary
spirit
is
God or
human, just like
human?
you and me.
Okay. Paulit nung pagpipilian, bro. Rafael.
Ano ba si Mary? Human or spirit?
Human or spirit?
Categorical.
Mary was born human and she remained
Okay.
human until now.
Time.